congrats sa inyong award mo. Yes, outstanding dance group of the year. How does it feel na sa dami-dami din ng mga dance group na yun, kayo ang napili ng gawad na.
Gawad pa.
Yeah. So how does it feel? Anong feeling?
Dahil wala kayong ano doon, parang speech, you can do some speech here.
First of all, we want to thank you first the event po tonight. And of course, all the people na sumusuporta and nagtitiwala sa aming Tigre. And of course, sa manager namin, kay Chris, and of course, kay Teacher Jabel na nag-uhuan sa amin, bumubuo sa amin, of course, every performances namin on stage, di kami nababayaan. So, yung Tigre naman, thankful kami sa lahat sa buong Tigre kasi tulong-tulungan talaga kami ginagawa yung pangarap namin. So this is just not a dance for us. This is our goal, this is our dream in life na soon we will be internationally acclaimed great dancers, di ba? So why not? So ayun, nasa amin din naman yung how will we work on that. But then again, thank you dun sa mga taong nakakita ayun naman sa pag-give, I mean, success na binubuo namin within the group. Yeah.
Ilang years na ba ang The Grind?
We are at this 7 years na po yung grind. So almost 7 years is coming. We will have our concert this coming July 12. So if you wanna watch on Beta Theater, we'll have our concert dance recital, and we'll have summer dance cup. So may mga nag-enroll sa aming students, and if you wanna enroll next year, better try it.
And of course, sabi niya na lahat, but we just want to thank Direct Rom for giving us this opportunity, and also Sir John Fontanilla for trusting us and guiding us every step of the way. Yan, congrats to us guys. And follow us din sa Tigre Official. Yeah, sa social media. So yun lang po. Thank you so much.
We heard that you're currently on It's Showtime and Asap Natin, no?
Yes po.
Yes.
So every Sunday, we're on ASAP natin.
Wow. So you work with Kim Chu.
With
Yes po. Actually, with Ate Kim, may work ngayon yung grind. Pero with girls, they're on Surigao, I guess.
Yes, they currently have a show with Paula Avellino.
Yes.
Speaking of Kim Chu, how does it feel working with her?
She
Lalo
is
na,
a
sige.
great person. She is so mabait, humble of course, kahit sobrang tagal niya na sa industriya. She stays humble and she loves, she loves giving energy din sa ibang people, which is sobrang blessing for us, Ate Kim din. And yun, thank you kay Ate Kim kasi may maraming opportunities din nagbubukas din sa Tigre because of her.
May mga nagsasabi kasi may mga issue before if naalaman yun na parang medyo may somehow attitude daw siya, tapos parang late daw siya, somehow ganun. Totoo ba
Don't
yun?
believe on that.
Yeah.
Because so far naman, Ate Kim is so good talaga, sobrang bait.
And always on time.
Yes. Minsan nga, mag-shot na siya, I'm on my way, so she keeps updating us.
Wow.
Parang,
Oh, that's very sweet.
Yeah, that's very sweet of her na ganun. Ganun sa Ate Kim, she's so humble. And good dancer, good artist,
Wow.
professional.
So agree kayo na siya ang queen of the dance?
Yes!
Wow.
Super agree.
From the grind itself,
Yeah,
diba?
super agree.
Thank you very much.
And lastly na lang, syempre, di ba, nagkaasap kayo, nakakasama niyo si Kim Chu and si Paolo with them together. Wala ba kayo napapansin or share sa kanyang dalawang pag magkasama sila?
So far, wala
With
naman.
Kim Pao.
Kasi parang on the set, professionalism muna ang trabaho muna.
Dance muna.
Dance muna. So kung ano lang yung gagawin natin today, yun lang. So ganun
Like
naman.
behind the scenes, wala pa sa
Wala
off-cam.
naman. Wala naman.
Talagang tutok talaga sa
Tutok din sa trabaho talaga.
Kita
So,
mo lang-
syempre, we don't want to miss kung ano yung mga works namin. Mas focus din talaga. Kung ano yung ibibigay namin sa
Attitude
audience.
and the grind.
More powers and
Thank you very
thank
much.
you and congrats! Oh, the grind.
Hello, the grind. Can you si ano, hindi ko alam.
Pangdugtong lang. Panghaba.
Nalungkot ka ba?
Medyo kasi pangarap lang kita tapos
Ano ba ang gusto mo para sumaya ka?
Hindi na ako nagsasalita dito sa kilig. Bahala na kayo dalawa siya. Alright. Oy, kilig ba kayo doon? Okay. We're about to do a game, pero ewan ko kung napapanood niyo yung interview ko lagi kay Kim and Pao. I always ask them to pick questions. So, hindi ko na i-gatekeep. Meron akong questions ulit dito. Let's give them one
Kaya pala isa lang yung pinasagot mo sa amin kanina.
Kimi, pick a question na tatanungin mo kay Pao.
Okay, eto na lang.
Go ahead.
The question is, now that, isa-isa, now that nakilala mo na ako, ano ba to? Would you ever go, nakakahiya! Ayoko nga!
Ako na.
Now that,
Next question.
Next question. Sige. Nahihiya si Kim.
ayoko, pag lalaki. Pag lalaki. Ayan, kung manonominate tayo, sa Best Kiss category, sa tingin mo, mananalo tayo and why? Grabe naman!
Uy, grabe naman yung sample. Yun naman ang grabe.
Sino bang kalaban?
Si Juliana daw, tsaka Victor yung
Ayun din pala.
Mananalo si Sec Kim tsaka si BMC compared kay Juliana at Victor.
Yeah!
mananalo sila. Kasi nakailang practice sila eh.
Pao, your turn.
Sa lahat ng eksena,
Saan ba? Sa... Ikaw direct. Siyempre sa karamihan ng mga eksena, cutie naman eh.
Yeah!
Hindi nakasagot! Okay.
Bigel. Okay, may game tayo with Kim and Pao kasama yung fans. Pili tayo ng 8 fans. Ganito lang yan, ililiberate nyo yung sasabihin ni Kim sa kani Pao. Saan mo? Okay, ready?
mahirap po lang.
Medyo mahirap to. Go!
Quick! Smack! Smack! Quick! Smack! Quick! Smack!
God! Swak! Smack! Quick! Smack! Okay.
Hindi ko rin alam yun.
I know, napakahirap ng phrase na
Wow,
yun.
Team Nation.
Thank you sa mga nakisali sa ating game. Pao, Kim, may hinandang fan video para sa inyo.
Ay, wow.
I know.
Grabe.
Turn your heads dito sa ating screen. Panoorin niyo yung hinanda ng mga fans para sa inyo.
Or 4, sorry, 4,000. Matuwas kayo.
Pwede ka na mag-internet cafe? Pwede ako, gusto siya.